Well, hello friends. So we have a dryer diagnostic this afternoon. We have a Quincy, I don't know, what the hell is this thing? QPNC 1250. So this would be a non-cycling refrigerated air dryer of the 1250 CFM labor. And customer complaint was they shut it off during a peak electrical time to try and save themselves some money on their electrical bill, and about 3 days later when they went to turn it back on, it was shaking rather violently, so they turned it off, and that's where we're at right now. I did confirm, and yes, it does shake rather violently, and you're going to see why here in just a moment. I've got the leads to the compressor disconnected to minimize the risk of further damaging the compressor during testing. But let's go ahead and just let's give this guy a little use here. You can see what's happening. That's going to cause some pretty violent shaking of the compressor, which is exactly what was going on here. Turn off. There. So, task for the day is to figure out why this and this are doing the flash dance. So, I'm going to check it out. I'll get back with you. I'm really hoping I track down a wiring diagram for this thing somewhere, because tracing all this out by hand doesn't seem like much fun, but you know, we'll do what we got to do. So as soon as I figure something out, I'll check it back in with y'all. See ya. Well, friends, as you can see, I've still got my compressor disconnected from the starter here. But we're powered up. This contactor here is called the Hindu cow. And I did a little bit of tracing out on this. I could not find a wiring diagram quickly and easily for this thing, so I just said, okay, no biggie, we'll just trace this out by hand. And so trying not to reach into the cabinet while it's live here, but the trigger for the coil right there on A1. So that guy comes back, goes up to that terminal block up top there, and then there's a pair of wires that go out, and it goes through the, you know, the thing. Come on, man, the thing. The high pressure, yeah, the high pressure switch. There we go. So I went ahead and pulled those wires and stuck a jumper in there and powered it up, and that guy was still chatter. Okay, well, that's not it. So I put the high pressure switch back in play, traced it out. From there, it comes down and it goes through the phase monitor there, and it's not doing it now. But when this contactor was chattering, my orange light right up there on that phase monitor was chattering right along with it. And now that orange light's nice and steady, my contactor's nice and steady. So I think what I'm going to do is, I'm not big on bypassing safeties. However, the chances of this thing having the phases reversed on it in the next couple of days or whatever it's going to take me to get a new phase monitor, I'm not super concerned about it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to power this thing back down, get it safe again, and I'm going to get the compressor hooked back up here. I'm going to throw a bypass jumper in on that 3-phase monitor there, and let her rip, see how she runs, and we'll get a phase monitor ordered for this guy. And yeah, I think that's going to do it. So once she's up and running, I'll check back in again and let you guys know how we're making out. Okay, friends, see, my evaporator temp has chilled right down to 40 degrees Fahrenheit, which normally I like to see those about 38, but this is not an application where moisture is a huge concern, so I'm okay with 40, especially since I know it's already dropped to 39, so it's going to come down a couple more degrees as we go here. This thing hasn't been running all that long, but just to show you guys what I did, so I did install that temporary jumper there across that phase monitor to make sure we don't get any more chattering out of it until we can get it replaced. Got my compressor leads hooked back up, and she's purring like a kitten, man. She's running good. Most importantly, I want you guys to know the Panduit covers are now reinstalled since I am done working in here. You should do that too. If you don't do that and I find out about it, I will personally come kick your ass. Yes, I said it. I said what I said. Put the Panduit covers back on when you're done. Also, when you put a temporary jumper in like this, make it obvious. Don't try and blend that guy in. Don't camouflage it. Make that jumper obvious. Because suppose we quote this and we send it to them and then it gets lost in the shuffle and, you know, whatever. Well, next time I'm back here doing an inspection on this machine, when I crack this door open, I'm going to see that jumper sticking out there and go, oh, hey, that never got taken care of. Let me go talk to the customer and see where that quote died. So make your temporary jumpers obvious and put your Panduit covers back on. That's it, man. Like I said, she's purring like a kitten, chattering resolved, and yeah, I'm down to 39 degrees, man. So this guy's pretty happy. So that's it. Problem solved. See ya.